Hello and welcome to Pillars of Wealth Creation, where we talk about creating financial success with a special focus on business and real estate. I'm your host, Todd Dexheimer. Now, let's get to it. Hey, the markets are going kind of crazy. It seems like reality is completely absent of the stock market. We're in the middle of a pandemic, and stuff dropped like a rock for just a little bit, but bounced right back up. And so it just feels like we're in this reality warp. Like people are throwing all their money into the stock market, but don't really have valuations that match it, or income, I guess, in some of these companies too that match it. So what are you investing in today? And why are you investing in what you're investing in today? Now, a lot of you that are on my feed probably are real estate investors. Hey, we got some deer behind us. That's kind of cool. She's walking right in. But a lot of you are in, the real estate, so you're probably investing in real estate. But if you're in the stock market, or if you're in even real estate, do you understand what you're investing in and why? Do you understand the financials? Do you understand, do you actually get the numbers? When you're investing and putting money into certain stocks, into the stock market, do you get what's driving those companies? Why are you paying a certain price per share? Same thing for if you're a passive investor or an active investor in real estate. Do you understand what you're buying, and are you actually getting something of value? I was just talking with Kim Burke, who's going to be speaking at my conference, and she talked about, and this was off camera, we talked, and she talked about just a lot of people today are rushing in to buy their first investment property, but they're not really understanding what they're buying. They're not really understanding why they're buying it. They just heard that they were supposed to invest in real estate. They heard that real estate is a great vehicle for their money. What is, if you buy right. It is if you manage right. It is if you buy in the right location. And there's a lot to it. It's not just buying a piece of real estate. So again, what are you investing in? Do you understand and know where your money is going and why it's going there? Truly understanding all of that is important. We've got funds that we're trying to put away for the future, trying to put away for our kids, trying to build a legacy, whatever it might be. A lot of people want to retire on it. So what's that money doing, right? So ask yourself those critical questions and make sure you truly understand it instead of putting your money blindly. We got financial advisors, and I'm sorry to offend you if you're a financial advisor listening to this, but we've got a lot of financial advisors that are giving poor financial advice, right? They're just telling you to stick your money in stocks and let it sit there, and they're just giving really bad financial advice, and we don't really understand fundamentally what we're doing. So that would be my challenge for you. If you're going to put your money into something, fundamentally understand what you're putting your money into. Understand the value, understand the risk profile, understand why it's valued the way it is, or maybe it's way overvalued, way undervalued, right? We want to buy undervalued things and then watch the value grow. So really, I challenge you to get to know what your financial investments are, if you don't know already, and understand them, and then change them and pivot them, because it's not too late. So change and pivot them if you need to. Hope that's helpful. If you have anything you want me to talk about, let me know. I'm coming at you. I'm trying to do this consistently, but it's hard because, man, I get busy sometimes. But I'm trying to provide some value. So if there's something that you want me to talk about, you want me to go through, just let me know. And I'd love to. You can send me a PM. You can reach out to me, and I will cover topics that make a lot of sense. So, and then the last thing is we got the North Star Real Estate Conference. I know you've probably seen me talking about it, but if you haven't purchased your ticket yet, purchase your ticket, because hey, it's coming soon and we are going to provide a ton of value. We want you there. We're going to meet you there. We want to network with you, and we want you to learn with us. So Join us, nreconference.com. You can use promo code DEX to get a ticket, DEX, to get your ticket. See ya.